In today's video, I will walk you through how to run reports in Shopify. To get started, navigate to the Analytics section from your Shopify dashboard. You can find it in the left-hand panel of your admin page. Once you click on Analytics, you'll be taken to the area where Shopify organizes your store's performance data and reporting tools. After you enter the Analytics section, look for the option labeled Reports and click on it. This will open the Reports page, where Shopify provides a collection of pre-created reports that you can access directly. On the Reports page, you'll see different report categories and available reports. These reports cover various areas of your store, including sales, customers, inventory, and other store data. Browse through the available options and find the report you want to view. When you've found the report you're interested in, simply click on it. Shopify will begin generating the report for you. Depending on the amount of data included in the report, it may take a few moments to load completely. Once the report finishes loading, it will appear on your screen. The information will be displayed in an organized layout, making it easy to review the data associated with that report. You can then go through the report and review the information provided. If you're looking at a sales report, you'll be able to view the sales data included in that report. If you're viewing a customer report, you'll see customer-related information. The same applies to other report types available within the Reports section. As you move through the different reports, you can continue selecting additional reports from the list whenever needed. Simply return to the Reports page, choose another report, and allow Shopify to generate it. The process remains the same for any report you want to access. Go to Analytics, select Reports, choose the report you want to view, and wait for Shopify to generate and display the results. Whenever you need updated information, you can return to the Reports section and run the report again. Shopify will generate the report using the available store data and display the results for you to review. And that's all there is to it. Running reports in Shopify is a straightforward process. Just access the Analytics section, open Reports, select the report you want to view, wait for it to load, and review the information displayed on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you. If you found it useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials.